Nokia is one of the oldest and most trusted smartphone brands out there. And now, the company is all set to make a grand comeback with an incredible 5G smartphone. Rumors suggest that this upcoming Nokia smartphone will pack a massive 150 megapixel DSLR grade camera and a powerful 7000 mAh battery, all wrapped up in a stunning design. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the Nokia Arson Pro 5G. If you're excited about this phone and want to know more, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today, we'll be breaking down all the leaked features, expected price, and launch details of this beast. So, let's start. Features of Nokia Arson Pro 5G. Display. This smartphone flaunts a 6.89-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and 240 Hz touch sampling rate, for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. The screen boasts a 1440 x 3200 pixel resolution, ensuring razor-sharp visuals. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Gorilla Glass armor protection for durability. Camera setup. Get ready for next-level photography. The Nokia Arson Pro 5G is rumored to feature a 150 megapixel primary camera, backed by 50 megapixel, 16 megapixel, and 5 megapixel additional lenses for versatile shooting. And for selfie lovers, a 32 megapixel front camera, for crystal clear video calls and stunning selfies. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is expected to run on the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core processor, ensuring blazing fast performance. And for software, it's likely to launch with the latest Android 15 out of the box. Battery. With a massive 7500 mAh Li polymer battery, this phone is built to last. And when you do need to recharge, an 85-watt fast charger, with USB Type-C support, will juice it up in no time. Price and launch date. The expected price is around $500, making it a killer deal for these specs. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned for updates.